Welcome to SHADHINPATH, where we make tech simple to understand. If you're new here, consider subscribing. In 2026, the way people get tech jobs has changed. AI hasn't taken the jobs, but it has completely changed how you find them, prepare for them, and stand out. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to get a tech job, step by step, from total beginner to advanced. No hype, no fake promises, just what actually works right now. Stay till the end, because the last step is about the one AI skill employers are now paying extra for. Let's start with the honest truth. AI will not get you a job by itself. It will not write your code for you in a real interview. And companies can easily tell when an application is lazy AI spam. So we are not going to use AI to cheat. We're going to use it as a personal tutor, a career coach, and a practice partner that's available 24 hours a day for free. Used correctly, AI can take what used to take years and compress it into months. That's the real power. Here's the roadmap we'll follow. First, decide what to learn. Second, learn it faster. Third, build real projects. Fourth, fix your resume and LinkedIn. Fifth, apply smartly. Sixth, prepare for interviews. And seventh, the AI skills employers actually want. Let's go. Step 1. Use AI to choose the right path. This is for complete beginners. The biggest mistake people make is learning random things with no direction. Open a tool like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini and treat it like a career counselor. Ask it something specific, like, I'm a beginner with no degree. I have 10 hours a week. Compare front-end development, data analysis, and cloud support as career paths. For each, tell me the skills needed, the time to become job ready, and the typical starting salary in my country. You'll get a clear, side-by-side answer in seconds. Then dig deeper. Ask, which of these has the most entry-level openings right now? And what does a typical day in this job actually look like? One honest warning here. AI can be out of date or simply wrong about salaries and job numbers. So always verify the important facts on real sources like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, or actual job postings. Use AI to narrow your options fast, then confirm with the real world. Step 2. Use AI to learn faster than ever before. Once you've picked your path, AI becomes the best tutor you've ever had. Here's how to use it properly. First, build your learning plan. Ask the AI, create a 12-week study plan to become job ready in front-end development, assuming 10 hours per week. Break it down week by week with free resources for each topic. Now you have a roadmap instead of guessing what to study next. Second, learn any concept at your exact level. When you get stuck, don't just copy the answer. Ask the AI to teach you. Say, explain how JavaScript functions work, like I'm a complete beginner with a simple real-life example. Then go further. Now explain it at an intermediate level and give me 3 practice exercises and then check my answers. This is how you climb from beginner to advanced, by controlling the depth yourself. Third, and this is the most important rule in the entire video, never paste code you don't understand. If AI gives you a solution, ask it to explain every single line. Then close it and rebuild it yourself from memory. AI that writes code for you makes you feel fast, but learn nothing. AI that explains code to you makes you genuinely skilled. Always use it the second way. Fourth, use NotebookLM by Google for deep learning. Upload documentation, a tutorial transcript, or your own notes, and it becomes a study assistant that answers questions using only those sources, so it's far less likely to make things up. It can even turn your notes into an audio overview you listen to like a podcast. That's perfect for revising before an interview. The goal of this phase is simple: real understanding, not copy-paste. Employers hire people who can think and solve problems, not people who can only prompt a chatbot. Step 3. Build real projects with AI. This is intermediate level, and it's where you actually become hireable. Nobody gets a tech job from watching tutorials alone. You get hired because you built things. AI makes building dramatically faster, but only if you use it as a co-pilot, not a crutch. Start by planning the project with AI. Say, I want to build a weather app for my portfolio. Suggest the features, the tech stack, and break the project into small steps I can finish one at a time. Now you have a clear plan instead of a blank screen. While you code, use AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot or Cursor. These tools suggest code as you type and help you fix errors fast. When you hit a bug, paste the error message and ask, explain what this error means, how to fix it, and why it happened in the first place. That last part, why it happened, is what turns a frustrating bug into a real lesson. But here's the line you must never cross. Build projects you genuinely understand and can explain. In interviews, you will be asked, why did you build it this way? If AI built it and you can't explain it, the interview is over. So after AI helps you, ask yourself one question. Could I rebuild this on my own? If the answer is no, slow down and actually learn it. Aim for 2 or 3 solid projects that solve a real problem. Push them to GitHub. Write a clear README for each. You can ask AI to help you write a clean, professional README and deploy them live so people can actually click and use them. One real, working project beats 100 certificates. This portfolio is what gets you the interview. Step 4. Fix your resume, LinkedIn, and GitHub with AI. This is where most people quietly lose opportunities without ever knowing it. Your application is your first impression, and AI can make it sharp. For your resume, do not ask AI to invent experience you don't have. That's lying, and it falls apart the moment you're in an interview. Instead, give it your real projects and skills and say, rewrite these bullet points to be results-focused, using strong action verbs and numbers where possible. Turn made a website into built and deployed a responsive web app tested by 50 users. Same real work, just stated like a professional. Next, tailor every single application. Paste the job description and your resume and ask, which skills from this job am I missing? And which of my existing skills should I highlight for this specific role? This one step puts you ahead of most applicants who lazily send the exact same resume everywhere. A quick honest note about the ATS, the software that scans resumes. You do not need tricks, white text, or hidden keywords. Just use a clean, simple format and naturally include the real skills mentioned in the job description. That's genuinely all it takes. Ignore the fear-mongering online. For LinkedIn, ask AI to help you write a clear headline and an about section that sounds like a real person, not a robot. Then edit it in your own voice. For GitHub, make sure your profile has a short bio and your best projects pinned at the top. Recruiters really do look at these. With AI, you can polish all 3 in a single afternoon. Step 5. Apply smarter, not harder. Here's a trap to avoid. Some people now use AI to auto-apply to hundreds of jobs at once. Don't do it. Companies are flooded with AI spam applications, and they've become very good at ignoring them. Mass applying lowers your quality and your odds. Instead, do the opposite. Pick fewer companies and apply with real care. Use AI to research each one. Summarize what this company does, their recent news, and what they likely value in a candidate. Then write a short, specific note that shows you actually understand them. 10 thoughtful applications beat 200 lazy ones every single time. Step 6. Prepare for interviews with AI. This is advanced and it's a genuine game changer because AI gives you something that used to cost real money, realistic practice on demand. For technical interviews, ask the AI to quiz you. Say, ask me 10 common front-end interview questions, one at a time. After each answer I give, tell me what was good, what was missing, and show me a stronger version. You can practice data structures, system design, and coding questions endlessly, all at your exact level. Even better, use the voice mode in tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to run a full mock interview out loud. Say, act as a hiring manager for a junior developer role. Interview me, ask natural follow-up questions, and at the end, score my answers and tell me exactly what to improve. Practicing out loud is powerful. It kills the nervousness that sinks most candidates before they even start. For behavioral questions, the tell me about a time when type. AI is excellent. Ask it to help you structure your stories using the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. Then, practice them until they feel natural, not memorized. But here is a critical, honest warning. Do not use AI to cheat during a live interview. In 2026, more and more companies use in-person or closely watched coding tests for exactly this reason. They know people try it. If you get caught reading AI answers, you're rejected instantly and sometimes blacklisted. And even if you somehow slip through, you'll have been hired for a job you cannot actually do, which ends badly fast. Use AI to prepare beforehand, so that in the real interview, the skill is truly yours. Step 7, and this is the one employers now pay extra for. The single biggest shift in 2026 is this. Knowing how to use AI is now a job skill by itself. Companies don't just want developers anymore. They want developers who can use AI to work faster and smarter. This is not a prediction. It's written into job descriptions right now. So learn it on purpose. Get genuinely comfortable with AI coding assistance. Learn which prompts get good results and which waste your time. Then go one level deeper than most people. Learn the basics of how AI gets built into real apps. Things like calling an AI through an API and the idea of connecting AI to your own data, sometimes called RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation. You do not need to be an AI researcher, but a developer who can add a working AI feature to a normal app is worth far more in today's market than one who can't. Let me put it all together into a simple action plan you can start today. 1. Use AI to pick one clear path, then verify it against real job postings. 2. Have AI build you a week-by-week learning plan and learn by understanding, never by copy-paste. 3. Build 2 or 3 real projects with AI as your co-pilot and make sure you can explain every part. 4. Use AI to sharpen your resume, LinkedIn, and GitHub with real achievements, never fake ones. 5. Apply to fewer jobs but with genuine care and research. 6. Run mock interviews with AI until you're confident. And 7. Make using AI well your standout skill. Now, the honest truth to carry with you. AI is the most powerful career tool we've ever had. It's a free tutor, a coach, and a practice partner, all in one. But it rewards the people who use it to genuinely get better, and it quietly exposes the people who use it to fake their way through. Be the first kind. Use AI to learn deeply, build real things, and walk into that interview with skills that are truly your own. Do that, and 2026 can absolutely be the year you land your tech job. If this video helped you, subscribe to SHADHINPATH for more simple, honest tech and career guidance. And tell me in the comments, which step are you starting with today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.